In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom, transparent Steam profile in just a few minutes. This is a fantastic way to personalize your profile and make it stand out in the gaming community. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First off, open your Steam application. If you're not already logged in, head to the login page by clicking on the Login option. You'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Make sure everything's typed correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're ready, hit the Sign In button. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be directed straight to your Steam homepage. Now that you're on your homepage, look toward the top of the screen and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu. Choose the View My Profile option. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button, which is where you can make all your customizations. To get the transparent profile effect, you'll need to visit the Steam Points shop. You can find this by going into the Edit Profile section and clicking on the Steam Points Shop option. Once you're inside the shop, head to the Game Profile section. Here you'll see several profile themes to choose from. Among these options, look for the Dying Light 2 Stay Human profile. This one is known for its unique features and clean, transparent design, which is perfect if you want your Steam profile to stand out. However, keep in mind that you do need to purchase it with Steam points. It costs 10,000 Steam points. If you already have enough points, go ahead and make the purchase. If not, you'll need to earn more by buying games, BLCs, or other items on Steam. Once you've successfully purchased the Dying Light 2 profile, it will be available for you to apply directly to your own profile. Just follow the prompts to activate it, and voila! Your new custom transparent Steam profile is ready. By completing these steps, you not only enhance the visual appeal of your Steam profile, but you also add a touch of your own style. This kind of customization helps you stand out when interacting with friends and gamers from around the world. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial on creating a custom transparent Steam profile. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to drop a comment below.